The Hogshead was my first one and final year. It's my reimagining of the Harry Potter Hogshead pub sign. I just wanted to do something that was going to be quite eye-catching, something that involved me doing sculpture as well as other skills. So we've learned sort of moulding, casting, techniques, fiberglassing, so I've used all that. I made the board, and I wanted to show I could do different paint effects and such stuff. So I wanted to pick something that could tick quite a few boxes. I thought of every single shop that's ever been mentioned in the Harry Potter series, and I came up with lots of different sketch ideas of how they could look. Because I found the ones that are actually in the film, they aren't, considering it's a very fantastical, magical film, they're all quite, I mean, they're aged and everything, but they're not necessarily fantastical signs. They are quite normal signs. So I just wanted to sort of just reimagine it a bit. So I wanted to make it 3D, and so I settled on the hog because I thought it would be quite nice. It was that or Ilops Owl Emporium. I thought I wanted to do some sort of animal. So the hog, I sculpted him out of clay using a wooden armature underneath. I cast the ears separately in silicone and then fast cast resin. I used a waste plaster mould, a 2-part one, to get the shape of him, and then fiberglassed. So he's made of fiberglass. The tusks I sculpted out of chemiwood, just roughly cut and then shaped on the sanders, and then just painted him in acrylics. With the backboard, I cut a bit of MDF using the jigsaw, and then I made the grooves in it using a Dremel, actually, to try and give a wood grain effect. And then I did a crackle glaze to make it look weathered. Laser cut the lettering, and then around the edge I did a layer of Artex, and again with the hanging pole and everything, and just used multiple paint effects to try and create a rusted look, including a bit of paprika.